over 100,000 clicks per day are available through this guy. The site I'm on is trafficforme.com, and this was started by Harris Fellman. And through his lists and through partnering with other publishers, he has access to a tremendous number of business opportunity, internet marketing, self-help, health and diet, and finance lists. So basically, if you're in any of those niches, I highly recommend you check out trafficforme.com. You can see to the right here some testimonials from happy customers, and down below here he's got videos for you. He's got a video for advertisers. So if you're looking for a solo ad provider, you want someone to send on a solo ad for you, he's got information on how this all works. And if you're a publisher, well, he's got a video for you too if you're looking to partner up with someone.